It's Mr. Tush over at Global, and we're going to talk a little bit about 2A and 2B. That is the writing that is about your computational artifact and the innovation itself. So the 2A is all about giving us information about just what it is you're studying and about the artifact that describes the thing you're studying. So you're going to name your computing innovation. Let's go through this with the slides. I think it's a little bit better. First thing you're going to do is the first 2A is just about the facts. You're going to name it and tell us exactly what it is. And then you're going to have to describe its intended purpose. The purpose of this innovation is, and make sure that you use that language. And then you're going to describe the function. The innovation's function is. And a lot of people get a little caught between what's the difference between purpose and function. Well, purpose tells us why it was created. The self-driving car was created to make streets safer. That's the broader purpose. The function, it uses sensors to guide the car and thus and so. So it's a fact. It does make the world a little bit safer, and those are the effects that you're talking about. Now, once you get to 2B, that talks about all of this, your development process. And you see these words, your development process. Well, what's going to happen? And you have to explicitly identify the computing tools and techniques. What it's saying is, how did you make it? I used Google Drawing 2. First, I researched blah, blah, blah. Take us through what you did to create your artifact so that we can see exactly how that's done. Now, the next thing you're going to say to yourself, let's assume what the reader knows. They must know all about what I do since there's research out there. Don't assume your reader knows as much as you do about the topic. By the time you're writing this up, you're probably one of the better experts on what this computing innovation is. And then finally, when you look at the rubric, 2A, yep, it's on the rubric, 2B is not. And what's up with that? Well, 2B actually verifies that the artifact is your own because you'll be able to describe how you did it. And the readers will see in the artifact, okay, I can see that this person made it and how. It just proves that you did the work as opposed to downloading something from the internet. I hope that helps explain the purpose of 2A and 2B and what not to be. And thank you for allowing me really corny teacher humor.